It's okay, my love.
Very nice. Mommy.
Yes, na. Careful, big. There you go. Put your your shoe on. Good girl.
What was happening to eat the mommy?
Yeah. Find something to eat. Are you hungry? Oh, diba? Ayan, meron na tayong pang New Year. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Today is the last day of 2020. Can you believe it? Bukas ay 2021 na guys. Oh my god. Anyways, late na siya ng umaga guys. Mga 11 na yata ngayon. Yeah. Pero ngayon ko lang dadalhin ang ating baby girl sa childcare kasi late kaming nagising kanina. Not no? But I'm glad guys kasi hindi ako nasusuka kaninang umaga. So I'm very happy about it. Nabihisan ko na ang ating baby girl. Ayan, oh. Careful anak, mataga ka na. Tapos pagka-drop ko sa kanya sa school guys, gusto kong pumunta ng Springvale Market kasi gusto kong mamili ng mga ng mga prutas ba para sa ating New Year's mamaya.
What's that about?
Yeah. Magdadala din ako nito guys, yung parang ski ba siya? Ayan, cooler. Ayan. Kasi I'm planning to buy some meat as well. Kaya dito, kahit matagalan ako doon, it's okay. Meron akong paglalagyan. Ayan. This is Paris bag to childcare for school. And then, umiiyak na siya, guys, kasi ayaw doon niyang mag-school. Tinan niyo ang ginawa niya, oh.
No.
What are you trying to do?
What's hungry?
Put your socks on.
No. What's happening to eat now?
Okay, Mama will get you something to eat.
Just having to eat on me.
Yes.
Really pretty shoe on.
Put the shoe on. Put the socks first. Paris lang. Ka ba?
Yeah!
Tigo lang kay ka, ha? Uy, silingan, oh. Pagtunilag na yung ambulansya. They think you're an ambulance na. Like that. Alik na ba? Big girl naman ka na ko, eh. The other way around, princess.
Okay.
Good girl.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay, my love.
Very nice. Mommy.
Yes, na. Careful, big. There you go. Put your your shoe on. Good girl.
What was happening to eat the mommy?
Yeah. Find something to eat. Are you hungry? I've got one here for you. This is your iron here. Oh, you put your shoes on first. Wow, big girl naman ang baby.
No.
Yeah, quick. Good job. Do you know how to open the door too?
No, I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
Good girl.
Eat it.
You eat it. That's for you.
That's for you.
Say hi, tita. Hi, tito. Papasok na si Paris Nicole. Uy, ang bag, nak. Hang on, wait a minute. Mama forgot the bag. Come on, let's go back.
What?
Yeah, Mama forgot the bag. Oh no, Mommy. What are you doing, Mommy? You lost your brain already, Mommy. Tingnan niyo ang bag niya, guys. So, iniwan ko dito. God, pregnancy. This is your bag. Come on, let's go. They're waiting for you.
Bag.
This is your bag.
Bag.
Come on. The car is hiding.
It's me.
The car is hiding from you.
Again.
Okay, take two. Okay, push. Push.
Me.
Push Push down.
Not me.
Okay, good girl. Thank you, Paris. Hi guys! Finally, nakauwi na tayo. It is now... Oh my god, can you believe it? It's already 3 o'clock ng hapon, guys. I'm so exhausted as always. But, napamili ko na yung gusto kong bilhin sa Springvale Market. But you know what guys, I didn't really stay there for long. I don't think na kumpleto ko nga yung 12 or 13 fruits, guys. Kasi, I just went in, grabbed stuff, tapos lumabas ako kaagad. Kasi, I wanted to go to the shopping center as well. Kasi gusto kong bilhan yung anak ng friendship namin na pupuntahan namin tonight for New Year's ng regalo kasi hindi pa namin sila nakita. So, kaya yun. Anyways, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung ating napamili ng mga fruit, guys. Dito natin ilalagay. O, diba? So, meron tayong 13 fruits. Ganon. Kahit nandito kami sa ibang bansa, guys, kung nandito ako sa ibang bansa, I still, you know, follow Filipino traditions, yung mga ganon. Yeah, I don't think mawawala na yun sa akin kasi my mom instilled it, you know, in me ever since nung bata pa talaga ako. Kaya, yun na talaga yung pinalakihan ko, guys. Anyways, hindi ko to binili, guys, ha? Nandito na to siya. We've got pear, we've got apple. Ayan. So, first thing na binili ko is itong rambutan. And you know what, guys? Rambutan, it's $26.99. So, basically, 27 Australian dollars per kilo. So, that's like, I don't know, 1,000 pesos a kilo. But yeah, sobrang sarap niya, guys. Oh my God. Ayan. So, ilagyan lang natin ng konti dito, guys. Tapos, ilagay natin sa fridge yung iba. Kinain ko na pala yung iba, guys. And then, bumili ako na pinya. Ayan. Hindi mawawala ang pinya, guys. Oh, smells so good. Hinog na dyan siya ba? And then, ano pa bang fruit ang binili ko? Oh, bumili ako ng bayabas. Isa lang yung binili ko, guys, kasi ang mahal-mahal nila. Ayan. Ooh, it's looking good already. Bumili ako ng isang avocado rin. Ayan. Tapos binili ko talaga yung parang round na avocado. Para round na round talaga. Kasi yun yung kailangan natin, diba? Then, oh, I bought some cherries. Ayan. Lagay na lang natin lahat dito. Ayan. Yung mga cherries, guys, ah. Alam niyo guys, hindi pala ako kumakain ng cherries. And then, sunod na binili ko ay ito. So, meron tayong mangga. Lagyan lang natin ng isa or dalawa dito. Tapos, yung iba sa fridge na. Ayan. 5 pala yung binili ko, guys. Hindi ito yung mangga na maasim. Ito yung parang Thai mango ata yun. And then, oh, okay. So, one more round fruit we've got here. Meron tayong kiwi. Tapos, meron tayong grapes, tsaka strawberry sa fridge. So, yun lang yung ilagay natin. But, that's what it looks so far, guys. Ayan. Oh, diba? Ayan, meron na tayong pang New Year na ano, fruit. And habang nandun ako, guys, bumili na rin ako ng kamote. Ayan. Ito yung Japanese na sweet potato, guys. Sing sarap na sa Pilipinas. And then, bumili rin ako ng sayote. Ayan. Para sa ating tinulang manok. Bumili rin pala ako ng, paa ng baboy. Pinakat ko para sarap sabawin ito, guys. And then, the last one here in my bag. paa ng mga manok. Very weird yung mga cravings ni ate nyo ngayon, guys. So, ayan. Gusto ko tong lagyan ng tocino. Masarap to siya, guys. Ayan. So, ilalagay natin yan sa fridge ngayon. On my way home, nag-stop ako sa isang Filipino store, yung sari-sari store ba. Bumili ako nito. Tingnan nyo. UFC na ketchup kasi gusto kong mag-ano ng yung isda na binili ko. Gusto kong prituhin tapos gawing escabeche. Ayan. So, I'm craving for escabeche to, guys. So, there you go. And then, coconut water, lipa. So, lipa, 4 yung binili ko. And then, I also bought dried, bisugo. Ayan, masarap ito kasi very, very salty. For some reason, guys, I am craving for salty food. Hindi yung mga matatamis. Hindi talaga ako into chocolates and all. Yung sa akin, yung mga bulad, yung mga ganyan. Bumili ako ng sardinas. At alam nyo guys kung bakit ko to siya binili. Dalawa pala yung binili ko. Here. Kasi, tinan nyo yung nakita ko sa Filipina store. Miswa. Ayan. Oh my God. Sobrang miss ko na to, guys. It's been years na hindi ako nakakain ng ganito. I remember when I was a kid in the Philippines, ganito talaga yung kinakain guys pag lunch, ganyan. Kasi ito lang talaga yung nakakaya ng bulsa, yung miswa, tsaka yung sardinas. Sabawin ba? Sobrang sarap nito, guys. Kaya yun yung lutuin natin maybe tomorrow, pang New Year. And then, wala na pala silang iba, guys. Meron silang menudo na, mamasita, muncher, and then I bought, cubes, guys. Beef cubes and chicken. Beef and chicken broth cubes. Ayan, pag nagluluto tayo para masarap. Here you go. Kailangan natin itong guys, lagay sa pantry. And also, nag-stop ako sa Waverly shop sa The Glen. Kasi bumili ako ng pangregalo doon nga sa, anak ng friendship ko. Friendship namin ni Daddy Mike pala. So, ito yung napili ko, guys, para sa anak niya. Kasi yung anak niya, she's younger than Paris. So, ayan. So, pair pala to sila from Levi's. Ayun, sobrang cute. And then, binili ko lang tong, paper bag. Ayan. And then, what else? Yeah, that's about it, really, guys. So, now, I'm just gonna put them away. And mamaya pala, hinihintay ko lang yung buko pie natin kasi nag-order ako ng buko pie ulit para dadalhin namin mamaya. So, later, doon kami mag-New Year sa bahay ng first day kaibigan sila ni Daddy Mike at first, and then naging kaibigan ko na rin sila. But they are Filipinos at sa Daklan sila nakatira, guys. And it's been, I don't know, the last 2 years ata, the last 2 or 3 na. The last 2 years ata, doon kami nag-New Year sa kanila. And the reason is that yung bahay kasi nila, guys, is nasa harapan talaga ng tubig doon sa Docklands. Kapag nagpa-firework for New Year's, nasa harapan mo lang yung mga fireworks kasi yung bahay nila, guys, 1, 2, 3, 3 andana yung bahay nila. And yung kitang-kita mo talaga yung fireworks kapag nandun ka sa kanila. Although this year, I'm afraid walang fireworks kasi nga sa, pandemic and everything. So, I don't think it's very nice to magpa-firework yung, diba? And also, they're trying to avoid the crowd and all that. Kaya, yun, parang walang fireworks, guys. Pero parang nakasanayan na namin na doon kami sa kanila mag-New Year. So, doon kami pupunta. Kaya nag-order ako ng buko pie para may madala tayo sa kanila. And then, Daddy Mike is working in the office pala today. Kaya wala siya dito. Sabi niya, doon na lang kami magkikita sa city, guys. Kasi instead na uwi pa siya dito, magmi-meet na lang kami doon. But yeah, that's the plan for tonight, guys. And you know what? Thinking about it, I'm already tired. I'm super tired already, guys. And I hate this sore in my mouth. The mouth ulcer, it's still there. And it's just making my lip dry. Kasi parang hindi ko siya nako-close ng maayos kasi super sore dito sa ilalim. But yes, yung plano ko pala, guys, dito, after kong malinis ito, I'll get ready. Tapos, when I picked up Paris, I'll just bring her dress. Tapos, from school, diretso na kami doon sa, sa Docklands kung saan kami mag-New Year. Kasi mag-meet daw kami doon ng 7 o'clock. And yeah, it's better na hindi na lang siguro ako uwi dito. Hopefully, darating yung buko pa on time. Kasi remember last time na tulog na ako nang dineliver nila, nilagay na lang nila sa labas. They delivered it, I think, like 1 o'clock. I don't know. Midnight, dineliver nila. But sabi nila, they will do a special delivery, which is before 6 o'clock. Fingers crossed, like I'm really hoping. Kasi pag hindi, I have to change all my plans. Oh my God. Like, seriously, are you okay there, anak? Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Bilbil and baby. Ayan. Kung narinig siguro ako ng baby ko ngayon, sasabi niya, Mommy, can you please relax for a little bit? Kasi yung utak ko, guys, like, it keeps running. You know what I mean? Like, oh, what I'm gonna do, this is what I'm gonna do next, and all. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm just gonna put everything away. I will see you again later.